YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another setups video. Before we start, make sure to drop a like and subscribe my channel if you want more. So let's get right into it. My first pair is GBP/NZD. We can see on the weekly we are bullish and we kind of retested the last structure. On the daily we have a little area of interest with 1, 2, 3 touches. We also have the daily EMA and the daily rejection candle, so we can see the daily slows down. On the daily I would say we are bearish because we were bullish right here and I consider this a structure, so we are bearish. And on the 4 hour we shifted bullish now from being bearish, creating lower high, lower low, broke above it, so we are bullish now. So what I'm waiting for here is to shift structure on the 15-minute time frame and an engulfing on the 1, 2 or 4 hour time frame to buy this trade. So my stop loss will be under structure wherever it is, and it will be under the daily EMA. My take profit will be at the daily structure here. We can see we have one here and another one right there. And on the 4 hour we had a really nice triple top here and very nice structure points right here. So this will be my take profit. Yes, this was GBP/NZD. Very nice trade. Let's move on to USD JPY, which is my second favorite pair. On the weekly we are bullish and we have the weekly EMA. On the daily we have an area of interest with 1, 2, 3 multiple touches to the left, so valid area of interest. Exactly as GBP/NZD we also have a daily rejection candle, which is very nice. And on the daily we are currently bearish, so we need the 4 hour to be bullish to take the trade. And we can see here we're creating lower low, lower high, and created now a new lower low. So we have to break above this lower high to shift bullish, then wait for a retest, and then we can buy. So my stop loss will be wherever structure is, and my take profit will be around the daily structure here and the daily EMA. But we have also a daily area of interest here, so this will be my take profit on this one. Very nice trade. My entry will be exactly the same like GBP/NZD. I wait for the 4 hour to shift bullish, then make a retest and 15 or 30 minute shifts of structure here and an engulfing to enter the trade. EuroCAD is my next pair. We see on the weekly we are still bearish. We are in this zone right here, so still bearish. And we also have the weekly EMA, which could push price down. Very nice. On the daily time frame we are bullish right now, and we have an area of interest right here with multiple touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiple touches to the left, so well respected area. So on the 4 hour we are also bearish. We have the 4 hour last structure here, so I'm waiting for a pullback in this zone and to the 4 hour last structure to then sell to the downside. This was EuroCAD. My next pair is USD-CAD, which we are bullish on the weekly. No, we are actually bearish now because we're creating higher lows, higher high, and now we broke above under it, so we are bearish now. On the daily we are also bearish we also have the daily EMA, and on the 4 hour we have a really nice area of interest here with multiple touches, very well respected. Here I'm waiting for the daily to break under the EMA and then retest the area of interest on the 4 hour and the daily EMA to then sell to the downside. On the daily, on the 4 hour, we also have kinda ugly head and shoulders with left head, right shoulder, but I will not count this as confluence because they are not very clean. Yeah, what I'm waiting for is, as I said, a break and retest on the daily. When we retest this area of interest, I want a 15-minute or 30-minute shift of structure and an engulfing as always to sell to the downside. My stop loss will be where structure is, and my take profit depends how much the daily goes down. So if we come down like here, it would be right around here, or maybe even further down, like to this structure. Yeah, depends. My last pair is AUD/JPY, which I don't really like that much, but it's okay. On the weekly we can see we are bullish right now because we are still in this zone here, but we can also see that we are creating very nice bearish structure. So I expect a wick on the weekly into the area of interest to then make a candle like this one to the downside. And on the weekly we also have a very nice area of interest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. On the daily we are bearish, and with the daily last structure and the round psychological level at 96. And also on the daily it is a very nice area of interest with multiple touches, so very well respected. On the 4 hour we are currently bearish, but when we close above the structure we are bullish, so we have to wait for a shift of structure on the 4 hour to then sell, because the weekly is bullish and we need 2 time frames in sync to take the trade. So we need the daily and the 4 hour in sync, and then we can take the trade. So if the 4 hour is bullish, I will not take the trade. If it shifts structure and retests, I will take it. Yeah, these were my favorite pairs for next week. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will post every trade there, and yeah, see you in the next video.